saving for a few weeks. They're finally all in packs, and my aim for this video is to beat what I got last year. 4 Team of the Years and 2 Legends in the equivalent of this video. My best being Team of the Year Robin. Now, I'm just going to start streaming some normal packs and take it from there. Welcome to the stream, everyone. Be interesting to see how many viewers we get tonight. When do 100k packs come out? There's a possibility of 100k packs at 10. Could be 50k packs. What are we getting in here? Ooh, no one good. That's bad. Alright, almost at 10k viewers. Let's move into it. Come on. I've never expected a Team of the Year as little as I did just then. I just was not in the mindset to be expecting a good card there. Team of the Year Modric. Thank you very much. We'll take that. We'll take that one on the chin. 650k looks like Modric. I was not expecting him to be that much after previous experiences with some of the Team of the Years. That is quality. Alright, I have finally managed to catch a lightning round. They released 100k packs at 11 o'clock last, and I missed it. Like, during match of the day. What kind of sick world does that happen in? Anyway. Anyway, 50k packs. The entire Team of the Year. Come on. Give me a Team of the Year. Hit me with one. Oh my god. First pack. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my lord. Oh my goodness. First 50k pack. That is simply not legal. Oh my god. Alright, this is going to be a good day. Here we go. Oh, okay, if we could have 2 in a row of those, that'd be very much appreciated. Hit me with a Team of the Year. Hit me. Oh, okay, why bring... Okay, we probably deserve one, to be fair. Hit me with a Team of the Year. I deserve one. What? Don't even think about doing... A little bit angry about that last one, to be honest. Right, EA are no longer messing around. I'm not sure what kind of parallel universe we've been thrown into. They have released 10 100k packs per account. I'm genuinely not sure that has ever happened before. So, first 10 100k packs, what are we waiting for? What are we getting in the first one? These are big. Whole Team of the Year in packs. Okay, Boateng. Another one who definitely just should be in there. I get the feeling this could be quite soul-destroying. Give me with a blue. Give me with a blue. This is seriously big money. I'm not having a look at this one. What have we got? Boateng, 2 in a row. Cheers, lads. This one is going to be quality. You need to just take a little walk about, mate. 550k packs as well, so potential for something decent. And then we got a Team of the Year. Yes, we got Danny Alves. Come on. Yes, right. Second Team of the Year. 50k packs is always them. I'm telling you, it's always the 50k pack. Oh, come on. Right, it's one that I've already had twice. I've now had Danny Alves 3 times. 3 out of 5. That's slightly frustrating, but. Okay, all that's left now is a Team of the Year attacker. Do you hear me, EA? A team attacker. Iniesta! It's not an attacker! It's a Team of the Year Iniesta. Right, that is like 3-4 packs after that Danny Alves. Okay, we're on a certain run of the mill here. How much is Iniesta? Let's have a quick look. Iniesta's got to be like, come on, 600, 700k. Get in there. These 1000k packs pretty much aren't back already. This one's with FIFA points. Pretty sure that makes all the difference. Exhibit A. Oh, it's Higuain. Inform Higuain, 87. That is pretty decent, though. No Team of the Years, don't mind, though. How much is Inform Higuain selling for? I'm saying 100k. Go 100k. That's embarrassing. Alright, I've almost earned money back from, like, these 100k packs. They've been ridiculous. Let's see if no, that's Ibrahimovic. Oh my goodness. Look at that pack. Right, this pack opening's getting interesting now. This is getting interesting. Right, hear that. How angry those sunglasses got. They fell off the decks. They were angry. Don't care. Don't want anything good in this. I don't want 2 years. I don't want Legend. Honestly, I don't want Legend sharing him. I don't want him. I'm not like bothered. Honestly, don't care about Legend, to be honest. I didn't want a Team of the Year on that one, but Legends I can probably accept sharing him. We can probably accept it. In what sick world is a Legend under 200? Alright, it's time for another Wembley Cup medal pack. Once a winner, always a winner. Is that what EA are kind of thinking? Are they going along with me here? Yes, they are! We've got Team of the Year Marcelo. Come on! And Sanchez. I told you, the Wembley Cup, he's a winner. Look at him. Marcelo didn't win anything last year, though. Barcelona won everything. But 4th Team of the Year. Get in there. We've equaled last year, at least. All I need now is just to get like a... I mean, we did get 2 Team of the Year attackers last year in those 4. They were included, but we'll try one more Wembley Cup. Once a winner, always a winner pack, and then I think it's got to be returned. Yeah, and we're returning. Team of the Year attacker, Team of the Year attacker, Team of the Year attacker, Team of the Year attacker. BA. Lewandowski and Boateng. That's a decent one, actually. him back, leave him